Hi, I'm Josie, and today we'll have a vlog here on the channel. As you can see, we're in the countryside, and we brought a bunch of stuff in the car. There's a bed, a stove. We basically turned the car into a truck. There's Jack. Say hi, Jack. Isabel. And we're going to stay here today fixing up the house, putting some things in place, and you're going to follow along with everything, so let's go. And now the electrician just arrived, who's going to set up the electricity for us in the house. What is joy? Today, as a gift, Daddy is going to get things fixed because it's his birthday today. Oh, darn. Oh my God. Jesus, he can't even see properly. Oh my God. We have a lot of work to fix this place. Look how it turned out. It's a rustic little sink, really rustic. An old little stove. Here are some little posts that we're going to put around the lake, a little fence. And look at the mess this is. Oh yeah, look at how it is. If all goes well, I want to show you everything neatly, but I can't today, right? But look at the state this was in. Look at the bathroom they improvised.
There it is, a rustic bathroom, really rustic.
Oh my God, look at this.
It's been abandoned for a long time.
Yeah, that's it. This here actually used to be a little house that people used for fishing, to stop here and go to the river to fish. Look at how this was. In the middle of all this brush, look at what's planted here. Punta tangerine. There's more here. Here's another one, but I don't know what it is. It could be the same. Here's another little tree. If I'm not mistaken, the man who sold it to us said this is a cherry tree, but I'm not sure. Right. Here's another one, or maybe this one is the cherry tree. And there's another little tree here too. There are several little things here that they had already planted. Look, I don't know what this one is. If it's a fruit tree or a flowering tree. Here too, I think it's a plum tree. This dry one here. Is it bad to feed fish whole wheat bread? I bought a bag of it. My fish are fit. I want my fish to be healthy. You're crazy, right? Oh, my wonderful plumber. How beautiful. Beautiful thing in my life.
They're failing. Even if I kiss, it won't help.
I was getting things ready here for lunch, right? It's still morning, and I'm preparing everything so it'll be faster. So here we have beans. There's a little salad with some ground beef.
How delicious.
And pot roast.
Wow, this pot roast is amazing.
It's ready now.
You're new here on the channel, right? Did you click on this video and have no idea what's going on? Who is this crazy woman here, all happy in the middle of nowhere with a simple house? Well, watch it. I'll leave the video here in the card. From the first time we showed it on the channel, the little farm we just bought, okay? So now it's the beginning. So that's why you're seeing the tall grass here, the house, all messy, all disorganized. Because little by little, we're coming here on the weekends to try to organize and make it look nicer. The house is really simple. We brought a bunk bed, a little stove, really simple things, just so we can sleep here while we're organizing. Or also for when someone comes to help us here to build the little house we want to build, right? Really cute, made of wood, really nice, so we can stay there too. And guys, I can't explain to you how happy I am, really, to have bought this little house here, together with my husband and my daughter, in the countryside of this place. Because I'm enchanted by the countryside, you know, by nature, by animals. And wow, seriously, I can't explain it really. You're going to see me here all silly, all happy, because I can't explain to you the joy I'm feeling to have, you know, to have bought this little place. And it's really nice. The story here is it's really nice that I bought this place with my husband. Because, guys, do you realize that this was a dream? One day I dreamed that I was in a place like this, that I was leaving Joasaba and I was looking to buy a house. That was in the dream. And I was walking with my husband and my daughter in Joasaba, and I was looking at these huge houses. And he was excited, showing me, look at this beautiful house and all. And I was kind of sad. I said, no, I didn't like it. I was really sad. And suddenly, in the dream, I take us and we go into this place, like in the countryside, you know? On a dirt road, like in the countryside. Me, Jack, and Asa, you know? So happy. And we started walking in the countryside, and suddenly we came to a place where there was a house, a simple house, really simple. This was in the dream. And the tree, she says, I was so enchanted by that tree that was at the house, on the land in the countryside. And that place brought me, you know, folks, I can't explain a dream like a happiness that was right in my throat, you know. I can't explain it, you know. A place that brought me so much happiness. Then I woke up and told my husband, right? I told him about this dream and like kind of, you know, a crazy happiness. Then he said, oh, nice, cool dream, right? Cute. We went to watch a movie and all. And we watched a movie where there was a house like that in the woods. He said, wow, imagine how cool it would be for us to have a place like that in the countryside, right? Then I remembered the dream. Then I posted it on Facebook in those online thrift store groups on Facebook, right? And I posted it and found like this land here for sale. We already called the owner. The very next day, we were already coming here to take a look. On the way here, we were so happy. We were so happy. You guys have no idea, you know? We were making so many plans. And then at that moment, the dream I had came back to my mind. I started telling them, I thought like this, man, this land is going to be ours, you know? Because the path, I was so enchanted with the path from beginning to end, you know? And that's what happened. We got here, and I was enchanted by the little pond, by the fact that up there, further up, there's a beautiful view. I love this place. Wow, I'm really just like in my dream. I was enchanted. And I know that this place is going to bring us a lot of happiness. Because it already is, you know. Wow, I'm amazed by this place. I'm emotional because it's, wow, I can't explain. I really am, you know. It's such a huge happiness for us to have achieved this little place, you know, ours and ours. Honestly, the happiness from my dream really came true, especially because we're so enchanted. Everything, no matter how simple. The news. Oh, we're going to be able to put electricity in the little house. And we get so happy. Oh, we're going to be able to start clearing the lot, the land, right? We get like this, you know, anything we buy, anything for the house, here in the countryside, we get like this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, when are we going to be able to go? So it's really bringing us a lot of happiness, and it's going to bring even more, I'm absolutely sure. So if you like the countryside, if you like rural areas, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, okay? Because I'm going to bring more videos showing everything we're doing around here. In a little while, God willing, it won't take long, we'll start building our little house. Oh guys, wow, I can't even explain how happy I am. Look how cool, it's a bit higher here so you can see the lake. I want to build a little deck over here. That's it, right? It won't be that quick, but if God wills it, and He does, because every time He's been giving us more and more things. So I know I'll be able to show you all. I'm showing you all this beginning so that later you can see how it's going to turn out. Because I'm sure this little place here is going to become a little paradise in the countryside. I'm absolutely sure. Now, Jack is locking up back there and we're heading to town to buy some things we're missing. Yeah, gas, we still need a shower. There are a lot of things missing, right? It's easier to say what's not missing. I'm terrible at saying things like that. You understood what I meant, right? So I'll show you what we're buying there. Look, it's the little song Bandas do Sul. Jack is getting it right.
That one is from the year 2002 from San Marino. If you're not from the South, you might not get it, but Southerners definitely enjoyed those big dances, right?
I'm terrible. I can't memorize any lyrics. I can listen to the song 1,000 times. I just can't memorize it. Do you believe him? That hurts me. With his few dreams, he destroys. Open your eyes. He's not worth anything. While I'm hanging around, go on, go. Spending sleepless nights dreaming of having her. You think about Ray. You like. And he doesn't even care about you. And I remain suffering. I keep wanting you and you pretend you don't see me. This one is good. Go. We stopped here for lunch all wearing masks, right? And let's eat because we're hungry. I'll show you my construction worker's plate. Pizza, meat, and 4-cheese lasagna. Look at Jack over there drowning. Is Isabel hungry?
I am a lot.
We're leaving the Casa Grande Pizzeria where we stopped for lunch, and we're going to try to get the things we need. Guys, we're back at the little house. Wow, we bought a table, chairs, a gas cylinder, and a few other things. Why? What's going to happen? We're going to have to sleep here tonight so we can get a few more things done tomorrow.
Look at how beautiful the sun is.
Wow, this big sun is really beautiful. Sunset.
Wow, look at all this stuff.
And the house is still a mess. Now I finished putting it here on the wall, on the doors, and over there. Outside, since it's raining, I'm going to leave it without putting anything. Today I don't think we're going to make it. But it's already looking tidier and it's going to be warmer inside. I still need to put it up on that top part and over there. And the little duckling over there in the water, in the rain. Haha. Jack has already managed to install the plug and the stove, but it's still really messy, right? There are still the fence posts. Water was installed here, but we still need to finish the bottom part of the sink. The beds have already been placed there. Of course, everything is messy right now, but one will go on each side or maybe one on top of the other, like a bunk bed. But there's still a lot missing, including this little door. I've already put up the slack, but there's still everything else left to do. And that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe here. If you're not subscribed, share this to help the channel reach more people. And there will definitely be more videos here on the channel showing the little farm as we do more things. I'll keep bringing videos here. And that's it. I truly hope you enjoyed it from the bottom of my heart. Kisses. See you in the next video.